I mean, if he wants to. You have to ask these guys. They're the drivers.
Oh, y'all are the drivers?
Yeah.
My old man can look at it for you.
You're what?
My old man, he's out here.
For what?
For the light.
For the lights?
Mhm.
He's gonna help?
He can help you.
All right. But
He's gonna tell
line me out.
Yeah. What's the company you're with?
Q Line Truck. Good morning mga Choy. Good morning internet, good morning viewers. Ito yung aming third day na kasama si Manoy since umalis kami ng Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. So first night natulog kami sa Drayton. Then the second night natulog kami dito sa may Devonport Loves pa rin ang tinilugan. And then ito yung aming third day. And mamayang gabi yung aming plan is matulog before and after Nashville. Before Knoxville, after Nashville, sa Oakdale, sa Labs na naman. So again, kasama ko pa rin si Ken. Convoy kami all the way sa Microsoft Boynton, Virginia. And on the fourth day, Monday, darating kami sa Virginia, but staging area kami ulit sa staging area pagdating sa Labs. Kasi walang staging area sa company or mismo dun sa delivery site. So staging area, then start kami mag-roll ng mga around 7 o'clock in the morning kasi 8 o'clock yung aking appointment sa company. So puro labs ang aming tinitigilan as of now, as today. Dahil pwede kami pagkatapos ng refuel, full tank, and then stop. So every day, nauubos namin almost 733 miles every day. Rat-rat talaga siya, as in rat-rat. Matitirhan lang kami ng tag 9 minutes, 7 minutes. Sagad-sagad yung ano namin, yung kilometers, yung oras. Dahil nga gusto namin makalapit sa Virginia. Bukas from Oakdale hanggang sa Boynton, Virginia, that's around almost 7 hours na lang yung aming tatakbuhin. Yeah, almost 7 hours. So tatapusin lang namin ang aming trip and then mag-start na kaming mag-hit ng highway today. 30 minutes before sunrise sana, but sarap ng tulog kahapon tapos maligo. Nag-edit sana ako ng phone, but nag-edit ako ng video, but hindi ko kinaya. Talagang nakatulog na ako. So Devonport to Labs, Tennessee. Paano guys? I'll see you guys sa highway in a few minutes. The sun is up. Papakita na siya. Medyo namumula pa nga lang. 8 minutes pa. So check muna ang weather. Check if mayroong incoming na mga storm along the way, para mapaghandaan kung anong gagawin, kung saan titigil, machi-change yung aming arrival. Oh, merong ulan. Yeah, merong ulan. Yeah, kita nyo. Kita nyo ba? Laki ng ulan, guys. Ito. Saan ba? Yeah, papunta sa aming destination. Come on. Yun o. Laki ng ulan. Storm. Nangingitim. But sa Canada, meron pa rin ulan. Tingnan mo sa Canada. Laki ng storm. Noy. Noy. Okay ra ka diya?
Okay na, ikaw.
Okay naman. Ang aking strobe light sa likod dili siya pareha sa imo nga kuan kayo kanang sidlak kay ba?
Dili kayo, murag ko siya, Kwan, kanang, parang Kwan pa kanang, anay? Dili kayo LLD, murag siya, yung mga kusto, yung mga suga.
Palitan siguro ng bulb, no?
Ya, kanang suga, siguro man, yung kusto na eh.
Kaya mamaya pagtigil natin doon sa ano kung merong shop doon, papalitan ko na ng ano ng bulb.
Tambal na lang. Doon po sila siya otra, inlo.
Pero nag-shower ka, karong buntag ka.
Oo man, ibromor na yung shower, ito sa mata.
Oo, yan, tama yan.
Continue on I-80.
Yan, kung 65 siya, garahin mo na.
Ikaw,
Yan, titira ko.
akong mabay ibunan sa siya.
Tirahin. Malagay yung ulan na papasukin natin ngayon.
Kami.
Tangawang kwan sign. Tangawang kwan. Musulod. Ayan o, sulod daw, sulod. Okay. Memorandum kita doan eh. Nah, use lane with green arrow. Guide. Ikot tayo sa likod dito for sure. Tigil tayo dyan. Yeah, for sure. Buksan yung bitana. tayong dalawa lang talaga nandito na. Very good, Noy. Very good. May bata dyan sa passenger side, magsisinyas yan siya. Yan, nasa left side mo, yan. Sinahan mo, yung malakas.
Hello.
May mga bata kasi pag naka-overtake sa truck, gaganyan sila, oh. So kailangan mong hilahin yung busina. Nagsinyas ba siya?
Mark, open ang skill.
Oh, okay, gabi. Nagbusina ka?
Nagpasina ko.
Skill na naman. Guys, layo pa, 5 oras pa.
Ang rest area, Mark.
No, diretso na yun. Sige. Sige. Sulod sa rest area na yun. Sulod sa rest area. Nara sa gilid kalsada. Yeah, break na tadya. Break na tadya. Nara na tadya. Welcome center to Cavite. Nasa gilid sa kalsada siguro yan. Break na tadya para dito tayo. Oras. Naulan na tayo. Dali araw sa oras eh. Saan na pupunta yung isa? Saan na pupunta? Miami? Florida? Ah, sana all. Okay, mag-break na siya. Break na siya. Miami, Kentucky or Florida? Diretso lang to eh. Miami via Atlanta all the way. Chattanooga. Mag-break na siguro. Or hindi Florida. Hello mga Chuy, mga Chay. It's 5:26 ng hapon. Dito na kami sa I-40 heading to Knoxville. Pero malapit na rin kami titigil in 15 kilometers. Done for the night, done for the day, call for a night. But finger crossed, sana meron pa kaming parking tonight. Then again, ipapagawa ko ulit yung strobe light sa likod dahil nawala na naman siya. Baka kailangan na talagang tawag dito yung linya ng mga kuryente or kailangan palitan yung ilaw ng dalawa. Kasi kahapon ang bilis ngang natapos nila, wala pang 30 minutes tapos na nila yung ginagawa nila dun sa ilaw. But this morning, chinek ko hanggang kanina pag break namin, nawala na talaga yung strobe light sa likod. Hindi na siya gumagana. So merong workshop, may shop dito sa Loves na titigilan namin tonight. And yeah, dadaling ko ulit siya doon. Kung kailangan palitan ng bulb, palitan ng ilaw, kasi kailangan ko siya pagdating sa Virginia. And of course, back and forth pabalik ng Canada. 5:28, 59 minutes. Humihingi ng tulong niyo, kapayapa ay bigyan ng
kapayapaan sa bayan mo.
Turn left at the traffic light, then take the second left.
Bakit kailangan bang maklaban? Magkapatid kayo sa dugo. Kailan kayo
Yeah, you're good, you're good, you're good, you're good. Yeah, you're good.
Thank you.
Apay mga ano siguro, mga 1 inch siguro, mga 8 inch siguro.
Umala siguro sa pamilya, puno-puno naman.
Yeah, diretso parking, hanap ka agad ng parking.
South, then take the first left.
Liko ka dali no.
Puno naman ba? Kadre, sa likod, Mark.
Tabi. Asa mo musulod ana?
Padre sa akong driver side.
Katong nainigawas nga truck dito siya kasulod.
Ha?
Katong nigawas nga truck, di man to siya mo gawa, mo sulod.
Hindi gawas na siya.
Ah, wala na. Okay. Noy, kuhaan tungaan ng kuan noy. Kuhaan tungaan ng isa ka truck. Kuhaan ng iyang space.
Rato na itulo dre.
Oh, ato kuhaan ng tulo, atuan ng tulo.
Kasi hindi ka na. Ako mo kwanta ko. Anay ko. Ako sa tarong ko balik.
Yan, anak kay viewers oh.
Pero Mark, sige Mark. Bro, awat bro.
Sige ba. Oh.
Sige Mark, dagan kay Condre, dagan space.
Yeah, ba tunga na mo noy.
Okay, ito nga, sige. Hindi na may kwan po, i-sentro.
Para makuha na tong duha ka space.
Atay sentro.
Yeah. Hi there.
Hello. What can I help you with?
Do you work? Our trucks and trailer is already in the parking and we're oversized.
Okay.
So I got a problem with my strobe lights.
Your lights?
Strobe lights for the oversized.
Okay.
Maybe you can send some mechanics there.
It'll be a couple hours. I only have one guy here, and he's not a mechanic. He's an apprentice. He can do some mechanical work.
You can do electrical.
I'll have to ask him if it's something he can do. He may be able to though. I can ask him real quick. You said it's your lights for.
It might be from the power because there's a light on the strobe lights, but it's too low. It's not the same as we used like too light.
Yeah.
It's so blurry. So maybe I don't know if the lights is the problem or the power from the
Yeah.
line.
Okay. Oh, do you have a YouTube?
Yeah.
Awesome. Write your YouTube down and I will check that out. My sister likes to vlog too, so.
Oh really? Yeah, we're from Canada.
You're from Canada?
Yeah.
That's cool.
So we're oversized. So you know, truck parking is
Oh yeah, I
the problem,
understand.
right? So
All right.
Pinoy
Let me go
trucker.
ask him real quick.
Yeah.
Just 1 second. Like I said, he can do some electrical work, not everything, so he just depends on what he finds.
yeah.
But it'll be a couple hours.
Yeah, it's
till he
okay
can get to it.
because we're gonna
Stay for the night.
stay for a
Stay
night
for the
here.
night.
Yeah.
And you are having a hard time finding a spot too, right?
Yeah, yeah. It's because we're oversized, so we're gonna stay there.
Okay. I might be able to find you a spot. Like back here behind our bay, there's like these 2 lanes you can pull in right there. You should have plenty of room to park right there if you don't have a spot back there already.
And after, by the time he will get done.
When will he get done?
Yeah.
He's got brakes to check. He's looking at a coolant leak.
No, I mean by the time he check and then.
No, I mean after my truck will be done, then where can I stay?
You can still park back there, right where you're at. I'll show you. Here, let me get you in line here, and I'll show you where I'm talking about.
That's open.
It's open right now. We don't. It's not. We don't normally let people park there, but since you have an oversized load, we won't say anything. A lot of people who have oversized loads park in the spot that I'm talking about. What's your phone number?
204
204.
891
Truck number?
1447.
Yes, ma'am. Who?
You're that oversized.
He's parked back there. Yeah. I mean, if he wants to. You have to ask these guys. They're the drivers.
Oh, y'all are the drivers?
Yeah.
My old man can look at it for you.
You're what?
My old man, he's out here.
For what?
For the light.
For the lights? He's gonna help.
He can help you.
All right. But
Just gotta tell
line me up.
Yeah. What's the company you're with?
Q Line Trucking.
Q Line.
Q Line Trucking.
Two guys here. It's these 2 guys right here.
How's it going, sir?
I'm gonna go get my drink.
Heather.
Yeah, we're having a hard time with
California?
the strobe lights.
No, it's Saskatchewan, Canada.
Okay.
SK.
And a lot of power,
Okay. Yes.
but we don't know where it is. Yeah.
And we're doing trailer.
Oh.
A trailer
We'll see it.
T. You want the trailer number?
I'll get it in a second. Well, that's nice. Let me check it out for you too. Company's paying with their account, I'm guessing.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Let them pay for it.
Went there in Loves yesterday in Devonport.
Mhm.
Just a couple of minutes. And, oh, it's done. Then when I check my lights, it's still the same.
Mhm.
It's not the lights that we used to be like super light.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so blurry.
What's your name?
Marco.
Marco?
Yeah.
Alright, Marco, I got you in line here. I'll let him check it. I guess he's gonna check it out for you guys, but
Yeah.
he'll let me know what they find. It might narrow it down a whole lot easier for us if he can't help you. I'll give you a call when we get ready for you too.
All right, okay. Thanks. What's your name?
McKaylee.
Okay, thanks,
If
Miguel.
you walk around here, around the shop, I'll also show you where you could park at since you are staying overnight. Okay?
Yeah, okay. Merong isang truck driver na tutulong daw dun sa lights namin. Yeah, wait.
Think so? Like if they park right here?
I doubt right there. I don't
Yeah.
know.
If it's not too much of like a incline for you guys, you can.
Oh, this
pull-
one here?
Yeah.
Oh, here?
You can pull right here. if
Yeah.
You want to.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
Yeah, just let me know, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So habang nandun kami sa loob, merong ginagawa kasing isang truck doon. Kaya narinig niya na may problema kami sa lights. So may isang driver na nagpapagawa. Ito siya. Titingnan daw niya. Kung magawa niya, then okay. Kasi dapat yung lights namin ganyan kasi ilaw.
Mark, why is it they cut it off the main wire?
Yeah, that was the previous lights for the strobe lights, and they make another
They make
lines.
another
They shouldn't have to. All they had to do is cut this down and reconnect the damn thing to here.
But this one works before. Just
Turn them on, let's see what we got.
okay. Driver din siya ng truck. Ulong daw siya. Instead na, uy, tapos pa rin kabihol.
Locations impacted include
If here, this one here, so
So it goes over
maybe on
to
this
the
axle,
top.
yeah. Ah, that's the problem now.
Yeah.
Where's that?
Got it. Pull, you got
Oh, this one.
something to pull that loose with? Pull this out.
Where's that knife? What happened to your truck?
Wala, mahina talaga. Mahina. Hindi din grounded eh. Kasi kung grounded, ito, kumagangan na ito, kasi parehas lang ito eh.
It's all in the ground. You got a piece of wire?
I don't have any wires.
Look, see, they got a piece of wire.
Here?
Yeah, they got just a small piece of wire. I'll put it here, and then we'll ground it to here and see if it picks it up.
Yeah, that's one. That's the new.
See, my thing is, once they disconnect here,
Oh, napakita ko kayong ulan, no?
Not maybe this one. Oh no, that's the old
that's the
wire.
other one.
Yeah.
It's supposed to go here.
Yeah.
Why they didn't reconnect those makes no damn sense. Why they took that completely out of play.
They make the hard one because they could be able to attach this instead putting a new line.
Yeah. The thing about it is, you see that room right there?
Yeah.
That could be, they could be rubbing on something there. Have you got any connectors?
No.
Pull that side in. You see it? You feel it?
Yeah.
It pulled out. not connected.
It's tight.
Yeah, it's not connected all the way. That's why I said pull one side, I pull the other.
Wala na yung lights.
Yeah.
Come on. Patay guys, wala na guys. So gano'n lang. Pero hindi ko mo. Sito ya na siya. Okay. Driver na ito, kaya naka-drive.
Power na that. No, you start driving. What? You can drive at 18 years old here?
I had a chauffeur's license before I got CDL. See what the lights look like? Check the lights.
Oh yeah, now it's working.
Pull apart right there.
You're the man. Ha! So
You
that's the
got black-
problem.
Have you got black tape?
You have black tape, like?
No,
Electrical tape?
but we could be able to ask those guys over there. They might have the connector.
Okay.
It's nice.
We can do that. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll go ask. Hold on, I'll be right back.
But you have to pay, I think.
No, it's free.
Huh? So what?
Went
Like it?
there 2 years ago.
Sturgis Biker Rally.
Biker rally I think every year.
What's that?
Where's the lighter?
Right here.
Now watch it. It'll shrink right down around it. Go all the way around. And go right on ends. Let me get some light to it.
Sabi na, baka nga power, di ba?
Yeah.
Yan, okay na siya. Oh.
Hindi siya yung sinasabi natin na yung parang grounded, kasi kung grounded
Pati yung
gumagalaw
ilaw,
yan eh.
yeah. So yung connection nga, yung iniisip ko baka ground power niya, and then hindi naman siguro ilaw, okay naman yung
Yun,
ilaw.
maganda na.
Yeah, okay na.
Okay, break natin, no?
Yeah, kasi bababa na si Haring Ulan. Thank you, Sean. I don't know if you're watching or what. Huh? Apa?
Dili, isang tatlong pwede mo ba? Dili ang bolt, hindi siya pantay.
Hindi mo kayo. Nasa taas. Ano?
Dali.
Tingnan. Ito yung ginagawa mo siya, Rick?
Ha?
Saan yung ginagawa mo siya?
Ano sa man?
Sa North Dakota?
Ay, ito. Sige daw, sige, doon lang.
Ano yun?
Ano to, Juan? Isa sa, ano yun?
Hey, dapat po naman dito.
Sabi ko, sige pa rin. Sige pa rin.
Thank you, Shaban. Sa'yo nagbabag.
Sige. Usa. Usa na sa?
Ha?
Usa na sa?
Ulan. Cheese, no, kumsi. Okay guys, so tapos na solve din ang aming problema. Hindi na kami pumunta sa tawag dito doon sa shop dahil pumunta si Sean. Una pumunta yung asawa niya, pinuntahan kami doon. Sinunod yung driver ng oversize. Sabi niya na tutulungan daw ng kanyang asawa kasi yung asawa niya pala dating truck driver, 32 years gumagawa ng mga oversize load. Then now nagka-problema yung back sa x-ray. So hindi na nagde-drive yung guy, si Sean, si Christina, yung asawa niya, yung partner niya, yung girlfriend niya, yun ang may-ari ng truck. So lumapit sila sa amin. Kita nila na need namin ng help na dito kasi hindi namin ma-figure out kung may problema ang ilaw or yung power. So lumapit si Sean, binuksan namin yung, kita nyo itong box dito. So yung power niya, sabi ko kay Manuel kanina, baka yung problema yung connection, yung power niya. Hindi, kaya chinek namin yung lines eh. Kasi ito, ginawa tong bagong lines. Yung linya nung nandoon ako sa Pennsylvania, nung nagload ako sa Buffalo, yung nilagyan ko ng tarp. So nagka-problema din ako sa lines, sa strobe light. So nagawa ng bagong linya. So ang naging problema, yun doon mismo sa box. So okay na. Thank you so much, Nay. Nalagyan ko na ng lagyan ko ng tape.
Anam lagi tape lagi.
Nakita mo to sa taas.
Oh.
Okay na. Okay na, di ba?
Okay.
Okay na. Lagyan ko na lang. Lagyan ko na lang. Hindi, may safety ako dun.
Naisipte ka?
Yeah, may safety ako. Lagyan ko na lang. Yeah. So, pasalamat kami dun kay Sean. I don't know. Hindi masiguro sila nanonood, but yeah. Yun ang sabi niya kanina na yun ang dapat nasa balita, yung truckers helping truckers, di ba?
Yeah, that's used to be, sabi niya.
That used to be na truckers helping truckers.
Ngayon, titignan ka na lang guys.
Ngayon, titingnan ka. Pag nag-atras ka na, titingnan ka
Bangga
dyan. Bahala ka dyan. Or ano mangyari sa'yo, titingnan. Kaya, bihira yung ganong mindset ng trucker. American pa yun ha, Amerikano pa yun. But, iba yung mindset niya, no? Para
Kunti
bang...
na lang ganun.
Ha?
Kunti na
Kukunti
lang
na talaga yung totoong mga truck driver na tutulungan ka sa parking. Kasi narinig siguro niya doon.
Narinig.
Di ba pumunta yung si Michaela, yung babae?
Sabi ng babae na my husband knows how to do it.
O kasi sabi ni Michaela siguro na may oversize na nandun sa parking, doon na lang siya, dito na lang pupunta dapat, di ba?
Sabi niya, I used to hold oversize.
Yeah. So yun nga, bihira na lang yung ganong tracker na talagang pupuntahan ka doon, tutulungan ka. Then, yung nga sabi ko sa kanya, diba, baka power, di ba? Din niya. Kasi ito parang wala namang problema, oh. Hindi naman siya kailangan palitan. Pero option B, option A, power or itong lights. So yun nga, nakita doon sa pinaka main na pinagkunitan sa toggle switch.
Para nagagmabutas.
Ha?
Para nagagmabutas kasi ilaw.
Yan, oh. Parehas na tayo ng ano. Kasi kayo na, parang ang power, ang hina eh. Ayun, okay na siya guys. So daghang kayo salamat. Diri rami karon sa kwan. Saan nga kwan eh? Cookville, Tennessee. So pila pa ta ka oras? 8 hours tomorrow? Yeah, mga 8 hours hanggang pagdating namin sa ano, makarating kami sa aming destination. I mean sa staging area sa Labsden sa South Hill, Virginia. Pero yung aming destination ay Boydton, Virginia. So daghang kayo salamat sa inyong tanan, sa inyong mga comments and likes. Pag-amping mo tanan, have a good night. We will keep on trucking.